Dear everyone, in this episode, I'll be talking about those essential issues that aids in promoting your body's vitamin absorption capacity. Not every day our bodies behave the same. Day to day our body's internal functions keep altering according to the variety of foods we intake or according to the way our mood varies drastically that day or according to the level of physical activity we have rendered to our bodies that day. Each and every day, our body assimilates vitamins depending on all these factors. And we'll be in a wrong notion if we think that the body will become strong if we take calcium rich foods or if we take high doses of calcium supplements, but support it with less physical activity or improper mental hygiene or provide it with no vitamin C or vitamin D. Even if you eat calcium rich foods, still your body demands adequate amounts of vitamin C and D to assimilate and absorb the calcium. Without proper vitamin C or D, your calcium simply drains out as waste from the body. The body critically starves for vitamin C and D to assimilate the calcium intake. And if at all your thyroid is dysfunctioning, then too your body fails to absorb calcium from the food or from the calcium pills. If you're taking thyroid pills, then do not take the multivitamin tablets or iron tablets or B12 or calcium tablets immediately. At least give a gap of 4 hours from your thyroid tablets to these supplements because the thyroid pills will interfere in the absorption of these multivitamin supplements. Also, excessive salt intake drains out your calcium. Your body's calcium absorption capacity gets reduced even if you eat more sugary foods or if you drink more coffee and tea because of the caffeine content in them. Caffeine in coffee and tea blocks the calcium absorption. And those of you who are gluten intolerant also find it difficult to absorb calcium. Gluten intolerancy happens to those who are severely acidic. These severely acidic bodies suffer from thinning of their stomach lining, also called as atrophic gastritis, and due to which their bodies cannot absorb proper calcium. So first, focus on reducing your acidity levels. Eat more of raw fruits and vegetables. Vitamin C is also rejected by an acidic body. But you should not entirely stop eating vitamin C content foods, but instead take vitamin C in very small amounts and slowly start increasing it to sufficient levels, and your acidity will anyhow completely subside. Your body absorbs only as much as the vitamins and minerals it can assimilate and throw out the rest as waste. So, eat a balanced diet, expose yourself to sun and exercise regularly. Exercising simply means an active lifestyle, just opposing to that the sedentary one. And the same rule also applies to iron-rich foods or to multivitamin tablets. Usually, children suffer from iron malabsorption, mainly because of some form of parasitic infestation in them, like those of the hookworms. Hence, it's best for children, and why not even adults, to swallow a deworm tablet once in 6 months. Also feed children in silver utensils for maximum absorption of iron. Even copper aids in proper iron absorption, so drink water placed in copper bottles. As your body's absorption capacity varies each day, try to follow these steps, and thank you for listening.